Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program, a game changer for the frequent flyers. This program aims to cut down the immigration processing time from 30 minutes to just seconds. Let us dive into the details. What is the Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program? It is an initiative by the Ministry of Home Affairs to provide a seamless immigration experience for the pre-verified flyers. The program uses biometrics to grant the swift clearance during the departure and arrival. Now the question comes, how does it work? So here is step-by-step breakdown. First, apply online. Eligible individuals can apply online at the link provided in the description and provide the required details. Second, verification. The Bureau of Immigration verifies the application. Third, biometric enrollment. Once approved, application receive a message to schedule an appointment for the biometric enrollment at international airports or the nearest foreigners regional registration office. Fourth, e-gate access. Registered passengers can use the e-gates, scanning their boarding pass and passport and undergoing biometric authentication. Let's come to benefits and the eligibility. FTI registration is valid for maximum of 5 years or until the validity of the passport, whichever comes first. Providing biometrics is mandatory. Applicants must ensure a minimum passport validity of at least 6 months. As far as eligibility is concerned, it is currently open to Indian citizens and OCI cardholders. So, the Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program is a fantastic initiative that makes international travel easier and more convenient. With its seamless biometric authentication process, you can say goodbye to the long queues and hello to a stress-free travel experience. If you are a frequent flyer, this program is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.